Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We're very happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, we will never skip to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, we will do our best to give and share with you the most relevant information and signals to properly interpret the market using the chart or technical analysis. Now, let's move forward and get started with the PSEI index. The market opens at 6,340 and went on a selling spree where it closes at 6,254. That gave us a big bearish red candle on a Monday. Come Tuesday, the market opens a bit higher at 6,266 and closes at 6,289. That gave us a green candle as investors saw opportunity in the short term due to huge drop yesterday. Then on Wednesday, the optimism continues as the market opens at 6,300 and closes higher at 6,325, giving us another green candle. Then on Thursday, as the movement appears to be in sideways direction, the market opens higher at 6,346 but closes lower at 6,291 due to profit taking that gave us a red inverted hammer candle. And finally on Friday, the market opens at 6,313, which is higher than the previous closing and closes a bit higher at 6,315. That gave us a green hammer candle. Overall, as the market position above its current support level at 6,250, it is quite obvious that the movement is in sideways direction while other indicators such as MACD is currently at negative zone, and moving averages are serving as resistance as it stays above, pushing the candle downward. Now let us proceed to our individual stock, where the first on the line is Ayala Corporation. Due to the current news report of the company's record core net income of 24 billion pesos for the first half of 2025, Ayala Corporation stock appears to completely establish its new support area at 584 and started moving upward for almost the entire week. With that kind of move, the stock is currently trying to challenge the resistance level at 606. With the confluence of breaking past the moving averages and MACD shifting its trajectory to positive position. Now moving forward to our next stock, where we have Ayala Land. Even with its financial statement report for the first half to be 8% higher year-on-year, plus the reinvestment plan and its regular share buyback program, Ayala Land stock appears to be struggling to hold its position above the moving averages, with majority of its move shows profit taking, reflected by MACD shifting its trajectory towards the negative position. Moving to our next stock, under the banking sector, where we have BDO. Without any significant news report this week and the continuous decline in price for the past 2 weeks, BDO stock made an attempt to find opportunity in a short term and gain small profit with its quick bounce. With the stock movement going down beyond 142 level, investors saw opportunity plus the confirmation of MACD shifting to positive trajectory this week. Then going to our next stock, where we have Converge. Despite an impressive 2025 first half financial and operational result of the company, the stock went to break below its support levels and finally made a pause at 15 level. Because of the drastic decline, some of the investors might see it as opportunity to enter for a small gain in short term. However, the pause at 15 level is yet to be confirmed as its current support area, as the MACD appears to be bearish. Shifting to our next stock, where we have Jollibee Foods. As the financial result shows growth acceleration of the company for 2025 first half, Jollibee started to manifest a bounce at 210 level, with majority of movement for the week are optimistic. The attempt to get back and challenge the moving averages are indication of a short-term recovery, with the confirmation of MACD shifting its trajectory to positive position. Now going back to our banking sector where we have Metrobank. With the solid first half performance mentioned in last week's news report, the stock went to pause at 70 level and appears to start moving sideways. Should the sideways movement continue, it can be presumed that it is starting to establish its new support area with the confluence of MACD shifting to positive trajectory. Now going back to our holding stocks where we have JGS. The listed subs' robust performance tapered petrochem losses that lifted the company's 2025 first half financial performance. JG Summit Holdings continued to show its regaining of strength by continuing to move upward after the previously bounced at the support level last month and has currently broken past the resistance area at 23 level. The upward move was backed by moving averages and MACD positive trajectory. Now going back to our property sector where we have SMPH. With the company's significant programs such as Signature Series plan for Prime Makati development catering the demand of sustainability, wellness, amenities, green spaces, smart technology and dedicated wellness centers, plus the complete 7 billion peso sustainable redevelopment of SM Mega Mall by 2029. The stock appears to hold its ground above majority of the moving averages with the confluence of MACD slowly shifting its trajectory on a positive note. We might see this stock try to challenge the 200 MA as it breaks out of its flag formation. And finally, we move to our focus on stock where we have Mega World. With the current news report about the early declaration of cash dividends to common shares equivalent to approximately 4.7%, the stock continued to break past 2.1 resistance level and appears to be trying to establish a new support area at 2.1 level. Should this upward movement persist next week, an attempt to break the next resistance at 2.15 might be a possibility to happen next week. With the confluence of positive alignment of moving averages and positive trajectory of MACD, and the effect of 50 MA crossing over 200 MA or what was commonly known as the Golden Cross, we might probably expect another breakaway. As previously mentioned, we will give this focus on stock up to this month only and shift to a new one depending on how this Megworld stock is going to perform prior to the cash dividend X date. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on a review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with a domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com, or you can send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you on my next video. Ciao!